30 minutes early because it was pouring rain to pick my son up for football practice. I thought, well, it's pouring rain. Why isn't he calling me? You know, why isn't he calling me? Then surely hiding under the dugout or something. I pull up. Here's what they're doing. Practicing in the rain. I love it. Toughens them up. I think it's great. I can't believe they're doing it. And I love it. They need to be toughened up. We're 0-3. Making them practice in the pouring rain. I absolutely love it. Push-ups and all. Oh yeah, we're going to toughen up. We got to start winning. Toughen up, Belmont. Even the coaches are out there in the rain, like just taking it. Yeah, that's exactly what we need. We've been a bunch of wussies all year so far. Get it, get it. Let's go, let's go. I came a half hour early because it's raining. I said, for sure. No doubt in my mind. He's waiting somewhere for me to pick him up. Nope. It's going to teach him to be tough. They're tackling. They're practicing drills. I love it. It's chilly out too. 58 degrees. That's what my car says. Push it, push it, push it. I think they're tired of losing. I think the coaches are tired of losing. I know the kids are tired of losing. So I think the coaches hope maybe they're stepping it up. Let's get it. Let's go. It's every time they don't tackle someone, they have to do 10 push-ups if we can catch them. Yeah, something. We got to do something harder. Let's get it. We are tired of losing. When I went to this school, we didn't lose. We just didn't lose the whole time I went to this school for years. We just, like, every once in a great while. But we're getting creamed. Every grade in this whole school creamed every year, every game this year so far. All the grades. Lose, lose, lose. 50-0 and stuff for the older kids. It's embarrassing. Let's get them toughened up. We need to get some real drill sergeants in here. Look at that. That ain't no real push-up. He's not even going down halfway. This is really great. It's not gonna be, you can't be a wussy. You can't be a sissy in this. It looks like they're making them do drills to make them better at blocking, which we needed so desperately. So bad. We can't block anybody so far yet. I want to, yeah.